Ever wished you could make your animations feel less static and more like a cinematic experience? Today, we're diving into how to create compelling camera movements from left to right in Adobe Animate, adding depth and guiding your viewer's eye first. Let's begin by opening your Adobe Animate file and creating a simple scene or importing your assets. This can be anything from a landscape to a character walking across a stage. Now, picture your camera's starting position. This is the initial view of your scene. We're going to set up guides on the stage to see what we are working with to mimic a left-to-right pan. Imagine your camera starting at the left and slowly moving across to the right. After creating your scene, select the elements you want to move with the camera. In this instance, our house. Click on the object on the timeline. Then, select keyframes and move your house across the scene. This creates a horizontal movement, simulating the object's camera movement. To make the pan smoother, using this is done by first right-clicking on the keyframes, choose a type, and test it out. With a playback, the movement should create a natural camera pan. Experiment with different keyframe positions and easing options to fine-tune the effect and achieve the perfect camera movement that suits your scene. And there you have it. You've successfully created a left-to-right camera motion with Adobe Animate. Now, go forth and create your very own cinematic masterpieces. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more animation tips.